Today I'm going to demonstrate one quizmaker application that built on top of Java, Spring Boot, and the front end UI is developed with Angular8. So, so here I need to explain you what are the features in this application and how we can admin can create one quiz application and how the candidates will give that quiz. So here is one login. So I have created one user J and given some password. So click on login. Then it will take time to load. Here you can see the dashboard with all the related entities like activities, categories, quiz. This quiz is total number of quiz that is available in the database. And this is the survey. You can also create survey and assign this survey to some people, and this is the statistic user, how many times he appeared in which quiz, is there any max attempt left or not. So quickly go on this. So this screen will show you the number of quiz that the user J has created. So currently one quiz, that picture quiz, is in review stage. So first, what is the workflow is, in the initially it will go to the review, and the reviewer will review the quiz, then approve the quiz, and finally it will publish. So we'll check who is the reviewer of this quiz. You click on this review. These are the question. So there are many type of question types are there, like short text, image, checkbox, image, video, audio, video. You can also see what are the video. These are the answers. So go to quiz setting. You can say this schedule date is 24th of November. I will make this to current date so that it will be available to the user. So I just check December. Let's say 15th of December. Okay, then this is the max attempt. So every quiz is attached to attempt, that is the time you need to retry for the exam if you failed for the exam. This is the pass mark, this is the time. So you can also edit the time. Let's say I gave 300, that is in seconds. So it is approximately 5 minutes. The quiz time is 5 minutes. And random quiz, random means like how many questions are assigned randomly among the total number of questions, so that in the when in the first attempt you failed, the next question will be 20% of this given already given question, and rest 80% will be already what is the question is attached to that particular quiz. So here I can change the reviewer. Let's say I will give the reviewer as Solu, then go to settings, then these are the grade. You can also provide the grade, like that means 90%. If one candidate will secure 90 or more than 90, he will be graded as A plus. If he scored 80 or more, less than equal to 80, then he will be scored as A. Then save grade. So this is that font style of the quiz. Let's say it is a sans serif, so you can see the style of font here. If I change accuracy, we can see the style has changed. If I change to fantasy, you can see the style has changed. So this is the color of the font. So this I just keep as it is, save setting, then I can preview. Okay, so this is the preview. You can see the font color and uh, font style has been changed. So accept terms. This is the preview mode, so you can't submit the quiz using the preview mode. So identify the book. Here I have clicked some random answers, so no need to worry. and you can see that there is a timer. I have set 5 minutes, so it will go for 5 minutes. And one feature is added that if your quiz is idle for 5 minutes, then it will be auto submitted. So you can also play the music. Okay, you can select this or review this. Suppose this question you have answered, this is not answered. Okay, so not answer, you can directly click here, then go to next, and here the picture quiz submit. So you can also verify the result over here, then go to back screen. Then I will choose the administrator, okay, to review the quiz. So I just click on log out, then I place Solu as my quiz reviewer. Here you can see there is one quiz for review, pending reviews, two quiz are pending. So I can just, this is one review, this quiz is review. So again, picture quiz. So here are the questions, so I can just click on next. Okay, so you can see this all features are disabled, so admin can't change these settings. Next, next, then comment. So okay, so I approve it, so it will be published. So if I go to this quiz, so it will be in published state. So this is okay. Now go to quiz. Okay, you can see this quiz is in published state. Okay, so you can preview this quiz here, but it is in preview mode. You can play the video also. So next, to assign the people, like currently I can check it from the database. So this is the quiz number is 5. Okay, so how you identify the quiz? Every quiz has its own identifier, so you can check uh, here, like the ID is 1. So 1 uh, ID, so there must be one quiz ID. So where is the quiz ID? This is quiz index, yeah, 1. So I have like assigned this to people that are belongs from Andhra Pradesh and Odia and have the role as role admin. Okay, so I can also add multiple role to it. Let's say, okay, now I click on apply. So I just log in to go back to this and log in to some user. Okay, you can also remember me functionalities there, so that you don't need to enter your username and password again. You can see there is a notification. Okay, you have one active survey. Okay, so this is the survey. I I have already participated, that's why it is saying you can't participate this survey. You have already participated, then you don't need to participate. Okay, so basically I need to check the role of Solu and add the role here. So how to check? There is a user table. You can say Solu, what is the role? Solu having the user ID as 11, and that mapping is there in user role. So I need to check 11 is assigned to 3. So what is the role? So 3 is executive. Let's see that executive role is present in the quiz table or not. So this is the quiz index. So executive. Okay. So executive, I think it is not there. So here I need to add executive. I think that insert update is not reflected. That's why it's a problem. Okay, now if I login user this Solu, so he will be seeing one quiz in his bucket. Now you can see the notification will increase to 4. Now go to this. You have one upcoming quizzes. Why upcoming? Because the quiz is scheduled to tomorrow's date. So it is not come yet. So it is upcoming quizzes. So if I change it to current date, so it will be reflected. So quiz index, so here I can change the date. So today is 14th, right? 14th, I have changed the date. Now it will appear in the active quiz list. So go to here. Yeah, suppose I click on this. Okay, go to dashboard. Yeah, you have one active survey, but why it is not coming as today is 14. The time has been passed. Let's say 13th. Oh, yeah. Oh God. Okay, let's check it's 13th. Okay. So yeah. So now refresh the screen once again. Okay. Then sorry, why it is not coming as up? Why it is coming as upcoming quiz? The date is 13/12 and today is okay, date schedule. I need to schedule this also. Sorry, my friend. So I need to change the date schedule column. I wrongly selected this schedule date time. Now I can refresh this. Yeah, you can see that the upcoming quiz list is removed. So you have active quiz. Now you can see you have one active quiz. Go to this, then play the quiz. So here you can select this. This you can mark the photo. Okay. So EFX master. So this is one. Then I need to submit. Then after that I need to send the feedback. Okay. Okay. This is done. And one thing more, like similarly you can create one survey and assign to people. This is the profile page. You can see the profile. You can also change the photo. You can change some photo here. Okay, go to this and change this photo. So it will take some time to reflect. You need to refresh it so that it will be reflected. Okay, so this is the timeline. It will say the how much quiz you have given and what is the scores, grade and time of completion, right? So recently I have given one quiz and it is showing some pass. Okay, this is the activity log. This will show all the history of your, like when you have created new quiz, submitted quiz, created survey, submitted survey. Okay, and this is that backend code. This is developed in Spring, and this is the front end using Angular 8. Thank you, my friend. Have a nice evening. Bye.